Businesses in Manila. Today, the Manila City Government has extended the filing and payment of renewal of business permit to Feb 13, 2026. So mukhang marami pang businesses ang hindi nakapag-renew. Baka pinag-iipunan pa ang garbage fee natin. And if you look at across social media, maraming nagrereklamo, mostly yung mga small businesses natin. They are literally crying for help. Look, nag-live si Isko kahapon. And marami siyang gaslighting and blaming the previous admin. So meaning kailangan naming saluhin ang perang ninakaw ng previous admin. And what do you mean by dividing it by 365 days para hindi magmukhang malaki? Parang tayong binibentahan ng bagong iPhone. But I think this is here to stay. Ganun na ang new normal. Ganun na maging ang figure moving forward. Unless groups of business owners mag-complain sa higher ups. And completely valid kung gustong lumipat ng mga businesses to other cities just to survive.